one. It's only 2 ingredients. I might put something else in it, very secretly, because I like to keep this recipe secretly. Only my audience who are watching will be able to see what I'm doing. So I got lemon and parsley right here in the kitchen this evening with Chef Ricardo Cooking. 2 very powerful and effective ingredients which you could ever use at home. Very good for toxin, very good for detox the body, very good to cleanse the body, very good for blood sugar, very good for weight loss, very good for detoxing, very good for so much things. It's just good. It can't stop good. Okay, medium size pot. Okay, all right, that's what we're gonna start it off with this evening. Medium size pot. But last night we did a tea recipe of thyme, fresh thyme. Big up yourself. Thank you so much. All right, yeah, we did a recipe last night on what do you call it? AP. Thank you so much. And thyme. Hot water in the pot. 1 cup of hot water. Excellent. All right, so we have a large cups of hot water. That is just measurement by Chef Ricardo. You don't know anything already. Here it is. We got 1 medium sized lemon. We're gonna put that inside of it. Make it go and simmer in the meantime. All right. Yeah, I'll go 5s. So you guys can see that looking amazing and fantastic so far and so good. Okay, let's come back over here. So the water is boiling. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. George, pick up yourself. All right. Very powerful. So I turn it off because the lemon is boiling inside of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is simple method is get my spoon. Because we were just simply talking about black seed oil and why you should take black seed oil. Good night. Where you going? You should be watching the show. There's no time to go nowhere now. It's very important episode we are doing tonight. Okay? For you guys to see what Chef Ricardo has been doing in the kitchen this evening. So you guys don't need to go anywhere. You need to sit back and watch this episode this evening with me. Okay? Here's his end. So we just put in the parsley. All right, that's the parsley. That's the last thing we want to put inside of it. Okay, yeah, because it's really good. Chef Ricky, man, oh, it works like up. Thank you for your. You're welcome. There's a lot of things works, man, but we just like how you believe, and that's really good. Okay, that's what we like to hear. So I'm happy something worked really good for you. And this one right here is very good for toxin, to get rid of the toxin out of your gut and to detoxify the body. This one is an amazing, the lemon and parsley. These 2 ingredients is really 2 powerful ingredients, which I would definitely encourage you guys to drink at home. 1, because of the benefit. 2, because it's going to help you so good. It's amazing. All right, because when you look at the benefit of lemon and parsley. It's a tea recipe, so we put tea. Okay. Cloves is awesome in it. Yes. Yeah, definitely. I know, man. Cloves is powerful. So it said lemon and parsley tea. All right. It help you with to digest it and relax. I know that one. It help you to relax and with to digest it. All right. It help you with your stomach, and it also help you with bloating. Okay, guys, bloating. Okay. Also, it help you promote detoxifying and help you flush out all extra toxin and boosting your immune system due to the high vitamin C inside of it. The lemon also very good for antioxidant. All right. The tea is also rich in vitamin and mineral. Okay. Overall, with the health and wellness. Yeah. Advise some of the benefit. So it reduces bloating. Parsley can help you to relax your stomach and help you with your bloating and keep your digestive system moving. All right. Yeah. So it's saying again, both ingredients combined is giving you a healthy gut and improve your digestive system. So guys, this is one of those kind of tea which keep talking about, and that's why I love it so much, because it do help with your system. Max, big up yourself, Max. Max. Does it help you extra fat in there? Well, it can help you with your stomach, and it promote weight loss, and it also promote detoxing. Hey, long time information. Thank you so much. You're more than welcome. Long time I don't see you. Big up yourself every time. But it's very, very powerful and effective. That's what I want to share with you guys about the parsley tea and the lemon. That's why I mix both of them together, for you guys can drink this at home. Hopefully it will benefit someone, and someone will try it at home and it will benefit them. It's an amazing recipe for you guys to try at home. So what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm going to take it off the heat, because it's roughly about 20 minutes now we've been making 1 cup of tea, and some of my audience might have said, oh, 1 cup of tea so long, but we are explaining information which is the key point of this cup of tea tonight. So that's why I like to make it into my, I am going to get the ingredients and try it. Chef Ricardo, thank you. Okay. I'll catch up on stream show after the recording. Okay. Does it help to remove metal metal? I wouldn't say definitely this is going to help you to remove it, but it can help you, as I say, some of those kind of things which I just read out about the toxin out of your body due to the high vitamin C, all right, and the lemon, and it also help you with relaxing. Now anxiety is from the, we call that one, the black seed oil. But it's good to flush out toxin and boost your immune system and reduce bloating. Okay? And it also detoxify the kidney health. Alright? And toxin and flush out, help the kidney and flush out toxin from the kidney. Parsley tea is all natural and it helps you, again, flush out toxin and salt toxin out of the body. Again, it's keep telling about flushing out, flushing out, flushing out. Vitamin C, anxiety, rich. Let me see again. It said may prevent kidney stone also. All right. How to make the parsley tea: chop up 1 parsley and water and 5 to 10 minutes. All right. So that's why I want to encourage you guys to give the parsley and the lemon tea a try. Drink it for 10 days. Back to back. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Okay. 7 super benefit of parsley tea. How to make it. We already done show you guys how to make the parsley tea. All right. It's very powerful. Very, very powerful tea for you guys to try at home. And you see, I will thank you for this. God bless you too. That's great. I am going to try it. Thank you for this information. You're more than welcome. The last night we did the thyme tea, and yeah, we talked about a lot of things last night. But this two tonight, just the lemon. You don't have to make tea. You can make a juice from it also. Okay? Yeah, you can blend up this right here into a blender and drink it. It's very powerful and effective. It's not only just watch the show, guys. You guys need to go and try it out. Give it a go and just be happy with the recipe at home. Let's take it off for the heat. Alright. Yeah, very, very powerful cup of tea. I think I may even make another cup of tea from it tonight. All right, I am day 3 of my tea journey, and my weight today already lose 2 pounds. Wow, Unga, big up yourself. Thank you so much for hearing that one. I'm so happy, man. You see, when you drink the tea, guys, a lot of people don't know, it keep you from sick. It keep you from putting on weight. It keep you in a perfect place where you're just gonna be happy. Okay? No, thank you. No, not a doctor, man. Yeah, doctor in Jesus. You know, I'm just giving God thanks for the knowledge and the wisdom which is where God give me, that I can able to share my little bit of a knowledge with my audience for you guys to be happy and try something at home. Everything not gonna be perfect, no matter what you do. Okay, things will be still lean, but at least you are trying your best to make it done right here. Because we could be drinking champagne and all sort of stuff with how much fizzy juice and thing right here. So talking about the best fizzy juice, and no, we're talking about something going to help you to recover yourself at home. Wow. Let's take out my cup. Guys, you cannot do more than say appreciate what Chef Ricardo have done for you guys over the last few years. I need my flowers. Yeah, I need my flowers now. It's time for me to get my flowers. Over the last few years, I've been giving you guys all of these beautiful recipes. And honestly, I know you guys must king fire. What's going on? Big up on yourself, man. Every time. Yeah. A lot of you guys already start giving me king. You know, I can't complain. Enough for you guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Thank you. God bless you too. So we're gonna pour it off. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna leave the rest till in the morning. That's it, guys. Yes, you can use the parsley to cook with. Also, you can use it to make juice. You can use it for a lot of things, guys. Okay. Quickly, I just want to say to you, I like to use this in it. I can see the lemon. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, it's very good. All right. And normally, you don't have to do this. This is my option. This is black seed oil. Guys, I like black seed oil. Okay, I always using black seed oil, and I normally take it every day. All right, so black seed oil is very good for your skin. It's also very good for make you sleep better and a lot more. Okay, and good vibes.